Hey, you won't shotgun it right now.
All right, here's the deal, Awadd.
What's up?
Oh, he's so cooked.
You're not allowed to talk until you solve this Rubik's Cube.
What's that?
Yeah.
Good luck.
He claimed on the show that he was an expert at solving the Rubik's Cube.
Go ahead, stupid.
He won't get one side.
Until you solve it, you're not allowed to be on the mic.
All right, hold on.
Proceed with the show.
You don't have a time limit, right?
He claimed that he and his Chinese buddy used to solve it all the time.
Well, hold on.
They should lock him in the tally ho until he solves it, because he's not finishing it by like 10:30.
Wouldn't it be a better idea for him to solve it under duress? Like, you got this ball cannon here. Why don't you shoot balls at him while he's trying to solve the Rubik? Hey, Awadd, do you mind stopping?
Hey,
Awadd, do you mind stop?
Adam.
Awadd.
Take your shirt off.
There it is. Gross.
Hey, Adam. Take your jeans off. Jeans. Drawers. You got underwear, but your f***ing jeans.
The crowd is just begging for this not to happen.
He's gonna be in underwear.
Oh.
Show him that belly. Show him that silly belly. Here we go. Keep trying to solve that motherfucker.
Oh! Is this show going well? Can anybody weigh in? Is it going well? All right, tepid response.
Go ahead. You said you could solve it.
Oh,
you solved it all the time.
You guys have that on 10?
Back in college.
Jesus.
You and your Chinese friends solved it all the time.
Oh.
Go ahead. You said you could solve it.
He's gonna take one right off the head. Oh.
Can you tell me when it's coming?
Don't you look up, stupid?
You gave me a one side. Literally, my daughter's 8 years old. She can do it under a minute.
It is a Nerf football.
It's been a minute, right?
It still hurts. That thing's humming.
Here you go.
Go ahead. You said you could solve it, motherfucker.
I think we were supposed to wrap up the show like before 10 tonight. There's no way he finishes this before 10.
Solve the Rubik's Cube.
Oh, yeah.